Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I'm gonna teach with you how you can connect domain name with your web hosting account. So first of all, we must know how we can connect it. So we need to know how we can do that. First thing, you need to know if you have domain name and web hosting with same company, then you don't need to connect it because the default setting has been installed after buying domain name and hosting with same company. If you have a domain name and web hosting with different company, so you need to connect them, right? Without connect them, you can't use your domain name with online. Here is the example. If you have a domain name and web hosting with Bluehost, so you don't need to connect it. If you have a domain name with GoDaddy and hosting have a Bluehost, HostGator or another web hosting, then you need to connect it. How you can connect it? First of all, you need to log in your web hosting account. I will teach with you practically, don't worry. This time I'm going to show with you some example. First of all, you need to add your domain name with your web hosting account. Once you have entered the domain name on your web hosting account, then you need to verify your domain authority. How you can verify your domain authority? You need to enter DNS domain name server inside your domain section. The DNS server that will provide you on web hosting company. You need to enter the DNS server with your domain name or inside your domain section. That will help you to connect it, right? Once you have entered the DNS, then you need to connect it with your web hosting. That's very simple, few simple steps. So I'm going to teach with you practically how you can do that. So first thing, you need to log in your web hosting account. I am logged in my Bluehost account. I have a web hosting with Bluehost and I have a domain name with GoDaddy. So I'm going to connect it. So first thing, you need to log in your web hosting account. Once you have logged in your web hosting account, then you need to go on the domain section. Inside the domain section have a assign link. You need to click on that. Inside this section have a two input text field. If you have a already domain associated with this account, I mean web hosting account, if you want to enter your new domain, you need to select the second one, input text field. Inside this section, input text field, you need to enter your domain name. You want to connect it with web hosting. So I have a domain name with GoDaddy, so I want to connect it. So I'm already logged in my GoDaddy account, so I need to copy that, my domain name, and paste it. Once you enter the domain name, then you need to verify your ownership, domain name ownership. As you can see guys, this is a verify ownership. You need to enter the DNS, means domain name server, with your domain name section. So you need to copy the first one and go to the Bluehost, GoDaddy account, and select the DNS domain name server button, and then you need to go on below, simply below, and just change name server. As you can see guys, name server, change it, select the custom and go to below and enter the first one. Go to web hosting section and copy the second one and paste here and just click to save. Once you have enter the DNS first and second inside your GoDaddy account inside your domain section, then you need to refresh the Bluehost account to verify your ownership. I'm going to enter the same domain name. Just a minute. Some domain name. I'm going to copy my domain name with URL, right? After entering the same domain name, then you are able to see verify ownership or ownership verified. Means I don't need to enter the verify ownership section again. Now the next thing, you need to select the 8 domains. This is the 8 domain, and there are another sections, park domain and unassigned domain. But I'm gonna add my new domain in my web hosting account, so you need to select the 8 domain. Go to below, and now the third one, the last one section is a create a directory. If you want to add this domain, after adding that domain, then this name directory will be created inside your file manager or online server. If you want to change that, you can do that. In my case, I leave that, and I'm gonna click to assign this domains. Okay guys, after clicking the add button, I'm gonna check it. As you can see guys, my last one domain has been added on my web hosting account. Then I'm able to access that to create a WordPress website or upload any other website on this domain. For example, I'm gonna go to advanced section, and let me show you I'm gonna click to file manager and select the public directory. And as you can see guys, after installing the domain name, then you are able to see this domain directory has been created inside the public_HTML folder. Inside this section, inside this folder, I'm gonna upload any website, then the website will be live online server. So I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel for getting updates. Have a nice day guys.